Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, today I will be showing you how I do my eyebrows in 2020. This is my whole process for filling them in and making them look nice and sleek. This video was, I want to say, highly requested, even though like 3 people asked me to do this. But you know, what people want, people get. So here I am. If you want to learn how to fill in your eyebrows, if you're just interested in how I happen to do mine, then please keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. I am like totally 100% barefaced right now and it feels so weird because I usually start my videos with like at least my eyebrows on, but that's the point of this video. So I'm just gonna clip my hair back. Oh, now they're kind of uneven, but that's okay because that's the purpose of this video. I'm gonna show you how to fill in your eyebrows and make them look on fleek. So let's get into it.
Yeah, get into it.
Okay, so firstly I'm just gonna start off with my personal favorite products. So the first one I am a ride or die for is the Anastacia Beverly Hills Dipbrow. It has nail polish on it because I have so many, I need to know like which one I'm currently using. And then I also use the Anastacia Beverly Hills eyebrow brush as well. This is the number 12. I find that this is just like so perfect. If you don't have this, I used to be a super diehard fan of the Brow Wiz by Anastacia as well, but I just found that this one like lasts a lot longer. And yeah, with my Dipbrow and my brush, I just, well, first I obviously, you know, brush out my eyebrow hairs, brush them up, obviously, you know, just make sure they're all like following one another, not in the way. You get the idea. So then I just go in with some on my brush, not too much. And then my first step is to draw a line on the bottom of the brow. So I just follow my natural shape mostly. I don't really like overline them or anything. I just kind of follow the natural shape. You can already see how that shape is gonna be like, you know, it already looks better. You can see the line. And then, you know, I just kind of perfect it. And also, if it's not super straight, that's fine because obviously you're gonna go in with concealer after to clean it up and make it look snatched. So yeah. And then, so I don't always go in with a top line right here because I don't like them to look too boxy, you know what I mean? But the main areas that I need help on is my tail. Obviously, as I mentioned earlier, I like tweeze them off. So I just go in and again, just follow the same shape. And there you can see the shape is created. So now all I have to do is pretty much fill in these spots. Like as soon as you have an outline, it's really easy. Like I would never start by just like filling in the middle because this way you have a guide so you know like where to place the product and whatnot. So now once this is there, a lot of people draw individual hair, so they just do brush strokes like that. And it kind of works, to be honest. You can already see the difference, how it's like getting more filled in. And then right here, since I don't like it to be too boxy, I don't like actually just like fill it in like that. I just make hair strokes only so that it looks more natural. Okay, so now at this point, all I pretty much do is just blend it out because I don't want it to look like super harsh and unnatural. So I just blend. But I don't blend too hard because then the product kind of like goes away. But as you can see right here, it's not like super straight. We have like a little bumpiness going on, and that's totally fine because again, I'm gonna just be cleaning that up with concealer. So now I'm just gonna repeat the same thing on the other eye. Once you have that bottom line, as you can see, everything becomes like so much like more clear and you kind of know like where to place everything. So I just find that this is the easiest way to do it. This is what works for me personally, but yeah. Okay, so now that my eyes look a little crazy, I'm just going to be going in with concealer, and I'm using the FitMe concealer in the shade Light Fair. So what I do is I just put some on the back of my hand, and then I grab a flat little brush to clean them up. The one I've used like forever is the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush from their Rose Gold set. So, oh my god. Okay. So I just take some of that concealer on a brush, and then I just follow the line that's already there, and I just go slightly below it. If you like, sometimes what I do is I don't start like directly on top. You can see there's a little space, and then like I slowly inch my way up to clean it up. That way I don't like start too short and then like ruin what I already have going on. As you can see, the little wobbly line we had before is no longer there, and it's now straight. So now I just take a small little brush like this. This is the BH Cosmetics 8. This is from the white and black marble set. So I just take that and blend it out. Don't go too close to the actual eyebrow product because you can end up like smudging it, and then basically all your concealer work goes to waste. So alright, I'm gonna clean up this eyebrow underneath, and then I'm gonna move on to how I clean up the top of my eyebrow. Okay, so now that the bottom is all cleaned up, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do the top of my eyebrow. Now, a lot of girls go in with foundation, and I just personally don't like the consistency of foundation to clean up my eyebrows. I guess it's because it's more watery and I feel like I don't have that much control. So I grab a concealer as well, but a darker shade. So the one I was using before is also the Fit Me, but it was in the shade 10, and for the top I used 15, which is this like darker one. So yeah, so you know, same situation, put some on the back of my hand. And what I do, I don't know why, I genuinely just don't touch this area right here because I don't want them to look too like, I don't know why, it looks like good on other people, but I just feel like I don't know, it's weird. Anyways, so I only clean up the tails of my eyebrows because as you can see, like that's kind of like a mess right there. So same process, and I only do the tails, and I do it lightly because if like the bottom is like really concealed and then this area right here has nothing, it looks odd. So I try to make it look a little more on the natural side. Again, how ironic. So I'm just gonna show you guys. Basically, I just like lightly, I have a very, very light amount, as you can see. So I just go around the natural shape again, and then I just curve it. So I like, pretty much what I do is I just like go straight and then curve. And that already looks like 10 times better. And then again with the same brush, just lightly brush that out. And that already looks like 10 times better. And a lot of times, like, well, in my case, a lot, I do my eyebrows before my face. So it happens a lot where, like, sometimes I'm like, oh my god, no, like, I went ham on my eyebrows. They look way too dark. But in reality, they don't look that dark. It just looks that way because you have no other makeup on. So once you have your, you know, your full face on, then it, like, tends to look way better. So if that's your situation, just give it a second. And I'm going to do the same thing on this eye. And clearly you can see my eyebrows are not sisters, they're not twins, they're not cousins, they're like frenemies, low-key. But So I just cleaned that up and boom. Obviously this one's more arched, this one's not as arched, but you know what I mean, like, period. To ensure that my eyebrow hairs don't move around and they stay in place and they last me, I go in with a eyebrow gel. I don't always do this, but you know, on nights where like I know I'm probably gonna be like moving around or sweating or whatever out all day, I will do this step. And the two brow gels I use is either the Anastacia Beverly Hills, again, brow gel, sponsor me. No, I'm just kidding. And well, it would be nice, I'm not kidding, but I only have like 100 subscribers. Anyways, oh yeah, by the way, for the Dipbrow, I'm in the shade soft brown, and my gel is soft brown as well. This is a tinted one. They do have a clear one, I just don't have it, but I do want to get it. And then I also use the Gimme Brow one. This is like a mini one, but I also like this one. I'm just gonna go in with this one for today. So basically it's the same process as brushing your eyebrows, but you want to do it lightly because it is tinted, so if you go a little crazy, it can mess up your brows. Just like that. And I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went off camera and quickly finished off the rest of my face. I added some fake freckles because I was bored, which is also another great use for the Anastacia Beverly Hills Dipbrow. Sponsor me please, PR me please, anything. But anyways, so now that my face is done, I was honestly too lazy to put on lashes. I felt like, I don't know, I felt like I kind of look fine like this. But the last step to some nice brows is to highlight the brow bone. So I'm going to be using the Sleek Makeup Palette, using, I think, this one right here. And honestly, you can use any brush for this because it's just a small little area. And I'm going to use the same brush that I used to blend out the concealer, because YOLO, who gonna check me? So I just like to add a slight amount. And it just adds like a nice little like glow, you know what I mean, just under the brow. See how pretty that looks? We love her. One little light on the face makeup today also. I just didn't want to do like anything crazy, but I like how it turned out. I kind of feel like the okay boomer girl. You know what I mean? Anyways, all right, and I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to fill in your eyebrows. I feel like they turned out pretty nice. Let me know if my strategy or whatever works for you, if anyone tries it. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, please. I'll be doing another giveaway shortly. I think I'm about to hit 160 subscribers, so that's great. Thank you if you're already subscribed. And yeah, also make sure to turn on the little bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And I think that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.